The power we ask something from is different for each one of us. God, universe, source, cosmic energy. Follow these steps to ask the universe to manifest something into your life. Be clear about what you want. Before asking the universe, you need to make sure that you really want something. If you don't take that wish seriously, the universe will inevitably ignore it. Ask and let it go. After asking for something, you need to forget about it. Remember, you are looking for answer from something other than your own thoughts. So just submit your request to the universe and start your day as normal. Be patient. Change rarely happens immediately. Usually, it's a step by step process that has to be handled by going your own way. Being impatient with the universe can make you feel unhappy and angry. Look out for signs. When the universe responds, it will do in subtle ways. You need to keep your eyes out for a few signs in your everyday life that will guide you along your journey to where you need to be. Trust that the universe knows best. The most difficult step in how to ask the universe for something is trusting the universe to take care of matters for you, even when not receiving any signs. Making your request and only waiting on the universe to satisfy it is not ideal. Trust the universe and take relevant action toward your goal, and it will manifest before your eyes before you know it.